Well, there's Allie Belly. Hi. What are you doing, kitty? Meow meow. Say, I'm 8 weeks old. We're laying on the back porch, and it's storming. Finally. Finally. Hi. I got my pajama jeans on. Super styling. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hello. No. No. Hello. Whoa, what was that? That was lightning. Ooh. It's your first thunderstorm. Yippee! All right, sweet girl. I'll see you soon. Bye.